Raging wildfires in California and Nevada have triggered mandatory evacuations as record heat grips the West. The line fire in California has rapidly expanded to 17,459 acres, forcing evacuations of thousands in San Bernardino County. The fire's intensity has created its own weather patterns, complicating firefighting efforts. California Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency, and nearly 35,405 structures are currently under threat. In Nevada, the Davis fire has burned 3,300 acres, destroyed structures, and prompted evacuations, CNN has reported. Excessive heat and poor air quality warnings are in place as the region battles worsening wildfire conditions.